Now you can potentially, and then you stick an extension into the center hole, and then you can use a breaker bar or a pair of pliers, or excuse me, a breaker bar or a wrench, like a ratcheting wrench. It really depends on how tight this is. I've seen it take a breaker bar where it just really have to yard on it, so a really big breaker bar. I've also seen it done with a small wrench, or in some cases it's not all that tight to begin with. So I went ahead and used my breaker bar, kind of broke the seal on this, but really I barely really had to pry on it, and it came loose. So it really was not hard to get out. So now we're just going to feed the fuel pump out. So this is where, again, where you're going to want to set up some rags. You don't want to soak your carpet. I'm going to take it straight out. I'm going to set my camera up. We're going to take it straight out, and we're going to set it out to the outside. You can always lay some plastic down or some rags down, whatever it takes. But this is essentially loose at this point. There's really only pressure keeping this in. The only thing we want to note when we look at this, if you notice that there's a notch. So you look at the orientation of this, it really only goes in one way. But at the same time, just note how it's all set up. This is the back of the car, the front of the car. There's a notch here on the back that goes to the back that fits into this outer collar. Okay, so let me get my camera set up, and we're going to look to take this out. All right, y'all, so different camera angle looking across the car so you can kind of see this as it comes out. Done my best to try to make a path, to not make a mess. Like I said, there's a little bit of a tooth right here on the front of this. This also sits into a gasket, so it is semi-sealed down. So I used very gently, used my screwdriver to pry it up a little bit. But at this point, it should be loose. Now, I've also got the advantage that the gas tank is basically empty. You may not have that's the case. So as this comes out, there's also your level float right here at the end. So you're gonna have to tip it as it comes out, so you can get this level float out just like that, take it out of the car.